Pratyush. The team at Anjali3d has just now completed another project. It's a 4-legged spider. So we have printed the parts. We're not into electronics, but then the parts have come out pretty great. And this is the leg of the spider. This is another frame. These are the total. The problem with such projects is that the placement of the part on the build plate has to be proper. When I say proper, it means that if you align it in an improper manner, the supports would be very difficult to remove. So you have to adjust the part in a manner in which the supports come easily when you are finishing the product. In fact, in a few cases, you can get rid of the supports altogether by placing the part properly on the build plate. If it's a 3D printing requirement, just log on to Anjali3d.com, upload your parts, you get an instant code, and then the parts will be delivered to your doorstep. Logging off now, this is Pratyush. Please do visit Anjali3d.com.